but it's not. So let's get into these next oils. Tea tree oil. Huh?
I'm editing that out.
No, we're not editing nothing. We're leaving it just like this. Unique Playground here. James Williams, Alara Inspires in the building. Going over a few things. I just wanted to let y'all know I'm excited by my Doterra box coming in today. This is the way I take preventative measures for any sickness or any virus that's going around. I use these products. All right. These products have been treating me fairly, very, very good. You know what I mean? Not fairly, but very, very good. I did experiments on myself with them. My clients take them. So they have been keeping my studio, the Unique Playground, and my home nice and healthy. And I'm going to go give you a rundown of why I use these products and why they've been very good to me. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification button to let you know when this great content from the Unique Playground is coming out. Concentrate, which is like your thieves blend put into a cleanser. All right. So for those who don't like using bleach and bleach tear up your hands, or you use a lot of bleach and you got to open your windows, this doesn't have that effect. All right. This has the thieves blend, or similar to what the thieves blend would be, with the wild orange and eucalyptus, cinnamon, and so like On Guard, right? On Guard, I did an experiment with myself with this. And the experiment that I did, one winter, I took On Guard daily, right? I mixed it with the oregano oil and the peppermint, and I took it daily. And for the entire winter, where I usually get sick about 2 to 3 times in a winter, I didn't get sick the entire winter taking On Guard. All right? The next winter, I didn't use On Guard at all. All right? And I got sick about 2 or 3 times. So, I mean, again, that's just a test within myself. All right? There are a couple of clients that I told use this stuff, and it avoided them from getting so sick as they usually do during the winter or cold and flu season. So that's why this is my favorite oil, right? On Guard. They have other oils too. You could do the research. They got black pepper and pink peppercorn and, things that they claim boost the immune system. You know what I mean? And at this point, using them myself, I can say some of those claims are true. All right? So again, this is the Unique Playground. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button when you want to see content like this or different content from the Unique Playground, where I'm showing fun exercise or people happy within a workout setting. Good old oregano. All right. I know some of you probably be traumatized because I know oregano oil was one of the secret healers in your home. But again, I'm a true believer in oregano oil too, because this is what I mix with On Guard, right? So what I'll do, I'll take a separate bottle, all right? So like I'll have an empty bottle, say of On Guard or whatever, and then I'll mix the oregano with this bad boy right here, peppermint, which makes everything stronger, and I'll take them, all right? I'll ingest them. I'm gonna be honest. Yesterday I took the 3 together, and they were so strong, I maybe should have diluted it. Right? Because it opened everything up in my ears, like whatever was going on in this body. I don't know if it was allergies, I was coming down with a cold, but it really hit the spot. All right? So maybe I should be a little bit safer and get some water, alkaline water. And I have a filter, and I have also a water bottle that actually makes my water alkaline, or I should say a water filter. And maybe I should try that next time, and it won't get at me so bad. All right, you hear my girlfriend laughing at me in the background because she saw the actual effects firsthand. All right, so next oil, but it's not. So let's get into these next oils. Tea tree oil. Huh?
I'm editing that out.
No, we're not editing nothing. We're leaving it just like this. Do not edit my videos to what I don't want them to be edited. Leave the real content for my subscribers, please. All right. This is not an abusive household, I promise. All right. It's a very loving household. All right. We serve the Lord here. Okay. So back to these oils. We have tea tree oil and we have arbor vitae. What tea tree oil is, it strips that bacterial layer of that, virus or whatever is coming after you. It strips it. And then you got arbor vitae, which was used by the Native Americans, which they realized that this tree substance had powerful effects. So they would make their canoes and all their, tools out of this thing, and they would notice that the bugs couldn't penetrate it and couldn't eat it. Right? So they started using this arbor vitae, this oil would actually go after those pathogens that was trying to destroy it. Right? So I combine these two together, and I also don't ingest these. These I may only diffuse in the air, and I may only, put it on the body with a carrier oil. I do recommend putting the carrier oil before you put on your body, because they are pretty strong, right? Because they're like the pure oil. All right. So these two, if you diffuse these in the air, you clean with this, and then you're using On Guard in your body and using oregano, you're kind of really, taking preventative measures before you get sick. We live in a world now where we wait till we get sick and then we choose to take medicines rather than just taking a healthy lifestyle before it and fighting these things off to not let them penetrate us. So this is why I believe in Doterra. All right, a little bonus coverage for you from the Unique Playground. All right, so I use Doterra, as you know. All right, but I still use other stuff too and other products out there that. And again, I like to make sure I'm a giving person. I like to make sure that I'm giving you the whole thing and not just half of it. So that's why I'm presenting you with this stuff that I use, right? So I use vitamin C as well to boost the immune system. I don't use that every day, but if I feel like something is coming on or if I'm protecting myself from other people, I'll use vitamin C. Vitamin C is an antioxidant. So, right, for you cardio heads out there, it can decrease cardio function. All right. We got olive leaf extract again, which is an immunity booster. I get that in a liquid form because I already take vitamin C as a pill, so olive leaf extract I take as a liquid, and I use XClear, right, which is for the nasal passages because I'm always struggling with I have nasal problems, respiratory problems when it comes. I'm always getting a respiratory infection. But what I noticed was with the XClear, I stopped getting those respiratory infections because I was cleaning out my nasal passages, right? And it claims that it cleans, congested nose. They had a lot of claims on the box that it cleans out all of those pollens and stuff like that and contaminants. But it's made with purified water, xylitol, sodium chloride, grapefruit seed extract, and I have nothing but good results. Fiber, right? Everybody in the world should be using fiber, right? A lot of people don't get enough fiber in their system, and fiber is shown to decrease colon problems and colon cancer by a high rate. I don't know the numbers off the top of my head, but when I took a test with my doctor, Dr. Marks, and taking this stuff, all of this combined stuff, when he did a bioscan of my cells, the bioscan came back that I had no toxins in my body. And I attribute that to taking the Fiberlize and taking this right here, the organic greens. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I know I'm in the health and wellness field, but I don't I don't eat a lot of vegetables that I should be eating. But
you used to not eat a lot of vegetables you should have been eating.
Used to not eat a lot of vegetables that I should not be eating. But when I wasn't eating these vegetables, I started to develop angina, right? if I'm saying that correctly. It's angina, I think that's the word, but it's chest pains, right? In just simpler form. And when the doctor did the bioscan, that came up that because I wasn't eating greens. At the time, I wasn't. So I went out and brought me a supplement to, supplement more greens, and the angina went away. All right. So this also has probiotics in there. So if you take antibiotics, which kills all your probiotics and kills all your healthy digestive cells, you can go out and get this organic greens, and it can help. I combine the two, and the taste is tremendous. Right. The Fiberlize, don't let it sit. Make sure that you drink it within, I say, a good 2 minutes, because it does get hard. All right. And the organic greens, it might take a little bit longer with the mixture, but taking these two together decrease my toxins. So this is just a rundown of all the supplements that I take. Remember, supplementation means that your body is not getting enough of it. So if you're more concerned to see if you need more supplementation, you should, consult a doctor and go take a few blood tests, and he'll let you know what you're lacking, because there's a lot of people out there that take things that they necessarily don't need to take because their foods and, how they eat provide this stuff. Like me, I know I don't have the healthiest of diets because, I just want to be transparent and be more human for you guys and let you know that I do take supplementation, as you can see. All right. Because I understand that I don't have that diet that I should necessarily have, or what they claim is true. But again, when you own a business and you're on the run, you really are trying to get snack bars and things like that to supplement for, the things that you're not eating. I also do a lot of intermittent fasting and fasting. It's funny that, I got into a little debate over the weekend, which got me really, really heated with somebody who claimed to be a biochemist. But from my own results and actually working with people, fasting does heal the body. All right. Because the way the body has to metabolize, it has to change when you're not feeding it food. If anybody knows about feeding yourself way too much, right, it breaks us down because the digestive tract breaks down and needs to heal. All right. That will be in the later video. So don't forget to like and get your notifications, because an intermittent fasting video is coming up very, very soon. Again, God bless, and thank you for watching my bonus content.